Oh, so you go down here, and there's a restaurant there. Why say facility closed? 1 to 8 p.m. $7 for adults and $5 for kids. Yes?
Those are lesbians. See those blue things.
Alright. Tourist na. We can go up there.
Who's that mean?
Harry? Oh no, Marv.
Like that when they're walking by and
Yeah.
it makes like a noise. So you can use those things at first.
Do you have to bring your own? Do you have to bring your own? Yeah, or
No, you can buy it there, see?
oh, you can rent because it's like that
Supply
yellow
shop.
one. That yellow one. See, they're all the same. See the yellow one, got? They're all the same.
Where? Go.
Oh, that kid fell.
Imagine we would like this, we just decide to buy here, but we're not even selling other places.
Because it's nice. You don't know that the milk,
You
the
can be like that. No one can be like this. Oh, let's buy here. But just because we want to buy it here.
fresh vegan falafel.
You decide.
Hummus. What is this? Local home decor gift shop. Honey shop.
But for you, Leo.
No skates behind this point.